Hello, how does it here? In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix some issues with the Amazon Prime Video app on iOS. So, if you got some issues with the app, first you check is go up to the App Store, the search bar here. We got Prime Video. Maybe you got the update, not updated app, and here in this open bar, there should be a update button. If you don't have, this means you got updated and everything should be alright. But if it's not, maybe you got issue with something else. So I'm gonna show you. Go to the settings, go to the scroll all the way down, go to the apps, go here, and go to the Prime Video. And here, maybe you got the background refresh off, maybe you got bad language, which means that you are on the Russian, but should be good with any language, should be good. And if this doesn't fix your issues with the app, you may go to the App Store again, go here, go here, find your Apple, find your app, and you need to uninstall this and reinstall, and that should fix your problems. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.